Imagine you awoke one morning greeted by this news. It sounds like a horror film, but this reality is closer than ever before. Since its inception, the State of Israel has been under attack by terrorist organizations whose brutal crimes have taken thousands of Israeli lives. Israel responds to these attacks, attempting to protect its citizens while striving to preserve its humanity by adhering to international law. It's a fact. According to international law, Israel is not a war criminal. But this reality may very well soon change. These groups are working on revising the laws of war to limit Israel's freedom of action and ability to defend its citizens and turn the State of Israel into a war criminal. What they can't achieve on the battlefield, they're trying to achieve in the legal arena. This has a name: lawfare. Changing the laws of war will restrain all democratic countries from combating the terrorist organizations that endanger their existence. But the terrorists, of course, won't change their methods. They'll continue using civilians as human shields and targeting civilian population centers. These changes in the law will place Israel in an impossible situation. If Israel acts, it will be deemed a war criminal. And if it doesn't, how can it be protected, and where will that lead? Criminal charges in domestic and international tribunals against Israeli soldiers, economic boycotts, abstaining from economic cooperation with Israel. We have to prevent this situation. That's precisely why we're here. Shurat HaDin works in various ways to deal with these issues, organizing international conferences with leading world experts, bringing charges in the International Criminal Court in The Hague, defending Israel at international conferences and tribunals, public campaigns,